Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get 200 words per minute on a typing test every single time. This is a really fascinating trick that not many people know about. Now, there are other things that do play a role. For example, a good mouse, a good keyboard, a good table, a good seat. Make sure the seat is comfortable. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed in your seat. But this thing I'm going to show you how to do, it's going to really change the game. It's going to make you go from 20 words per minute to 200 words per minute in a matter of minutes, because anyone can do this. Anyone can spend 5 minutes learning this trick and being able to get a high score every single time on a typing test. And if you don't know how to do this, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you exactly how I get a high score on this game. Okay, so let's actually get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open a new text file. I'm going to type a shebang line up here. And I'm going to start a while loop. And this loop is never going to finish. Then I am going to scrot-s. And I am going to get a section of the screen. Scrot-s basically just takes a section of the screen, saves it as a picture. Okay, then I am going to Xdotool, mouse move. And I need to find the location of this input box. So I'm going to open this terminal and I am going to say, okay, let's see, Xdotool and get mouse location. That's not the right mouse location. So put your mouse down here and then hit enter. And let's see, I'm going to move to 666, 631. And I am going to click with the first mouse button. Perfect. Okay. So once we do that, the next thing that we need to do is we need to get the words from this picture. So to get the words from this picture, I'm going to use an optical character recognizer called Tesseract. So I'm going to say words. I'm going to save the words in this variable, and it's going to run this command. So what we do is we pass Tesseract a file, a picture basically, with the words that we want to turn into real text. Then I'm gonna make it give me the output in standard out. So then I'm gonna just throw away all the errors or warnings, whatever. I don't care about them. And I'm gonna throw that all to dev null. And finally, I'm going to substitute new line characters with basically spaces. So that will look like this. Okay. And when you have all of that ready, the final step is to Xdotool type, and then we are going to make sure you quote your variable word. And finally, we are going to say done. Oh, and before that, we also have to delete the temp.png, because every time you run scrot, it's going to save your new file as a new name if it sees that it's going to overwrite the old one. Anyways, so let's actually get this going. Okay, so we are going to go into our desktop, and let's actually get this running. So script.sh. Let's see, syntax error. What's the syntax error? Oh, I forgot to do the do. Okay. Let's see if this works. Yep, it works. So, yeah, this is actually really... make sure that you're on point with this. When you're selecting your text, if you ever miss a single word, it's not going to work. You have to be on point. You have to always be vigilant of how quickly you're selecting this text and having the program type it in, because a lot of professionals, they kind of forget about this, and when they forget about this, they don't really get the same feedback that a person who doesn't forget gets. This is really competitive right now. I only have 18 seconds to get this finished. I don't think I'm going to get 200 words per minute, but let's see. I really hope that I get 200 words per minute in this one. Two, one, and 183 words per minute. Well, I tried, guys. Well, I hope that you have better luck than I do. Anyways, thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope you come back and see my other videos.